Hello guys, welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. Today we are making a tasty potato salad. Come over to my kitchen guys to learn how to make this delicious potato salad. We have here 2 large potatoes that is washed, peeled and cut into dice. You want to make sure you have your potato cut in the same size. And this is 1 large carrot that is cut into small dice. So here we have our carrot, our green beans and potato ready to boil. And we are going to boil this into a pot that is already boiling up. The water is already boiling and we add some bouillon to give it a salty taste. And we are going to add our carrot and potato first. Around 10 to 12 minutes later, we are going to add the beans. And after adding the bean, we are going to allow it to cook for the next 3 to 4 minutes before we test to see if our potato is cooked. We don't want our potato to cook too soft, so you want to watch your pot careful and check to make sure your potato pieces is cooked solid. And once it's done, you want to immediately put it under some cold water to allow the cooking process to stop. The next step, we are going to add some finely chopped bell pepper. Here I have some red and yellow. And this is about 3 stalks of chive that is finely chopped. So we're going to add some powder season. I am going to add some garlic powder, onion powder, and some black pepper. That is about half a teaspoon each. You are going to add the amount of mayonnaise to your likeness. Here I'm adding a generous amount because I want a juicy potato salad. After adding your mayonnaise, you want to carefully mix because you don't want to mash away your potato, so you want to gently mix your potato salad. So here guys, you can see we have a delicious looking mouth-watering potato salad. So yummy. Look at that. My mouth running water just looking at this potato salad. And the taste is heavenly. Oh boy. Go ahead guys and try this recipe. Drop a comment below and let me know how did yours came out. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family. If you are here for the first time and you enjoy watching this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified as soon as I upload. And a big shout out to my faithful viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. Bye until next time.